Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your gift card for IMVU. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar that appears at the top of the screen, type in www.imvu.com and press enter on your keyboard. If you're not logged into your IMVU account yet, go ahead and log into your account by entering your credentials, and you'll end up in this page over here. In order to redeem your gift card, click on the coin button at the top right hand and in the pop-up, select Buy Credits. Now, from this page, choose the Gift Cards tab at the top. Enter your serial code number into the Enter Redemption Code text field at the left-hand side of the screen. Type in your information correct and click on Redeem in order to redeem your gift card for IMVU. Your transaction will be successful, and that is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.